Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, the new 400 Everyday Phrases for Beginners ebook. You'll love this new book because you'll be able to talk about your daily life, from morning to night, and master 400 practical phrases. Download it right now for free. Second, do you know the 40 most common adjectives? With this new Useful Adjectives PDF cheat sheet, you'll master 40 common adjectives that all beginners should know. Third, the 30 most useful pronouns. I, you, she, he, it, yours, you all. You'll learn how to say all the pronouns with this quick lesson. Fourth, 20 must-know phrases for the phone. Learn how to say, "Who's this? What's your phone number?" and much more. With this 1-minute lesson, you'll quickly learn 20 phrases for the phone. Fifth, want the best language learning app that gets you speaking in minutes? Download Innovative Language 101 for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. You unlock hundreds of mini audio and video lessons. And learn real language by real teachers. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally master the language with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, then get 31% off Premium and Premium Plus with the Breakthrough Sale. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the lesson description below. Download them right now before they expire.